What's up, guys? It's your boy Lotte, back at it again with another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Your boy just got off work. Well, I'm about to give you guys a cold start, talk to you guys on the road. Just FYI, something's up with the exhaust. I think the exhaust is hitting a heat shield, so you're gonna hear a little rattle in the cold start, and I apologize for that. Alright guys, what's up? Yeah, freaking exhaust hitting like a heat shield or something, so I gotta jack up the car when I get home and bend that heat shield back or take it off, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. So, I'm being told that I shouldn't be abusing the car with no tune because the air and fuel ratio is all whacked up since I changed out the test pipe and intake. So I gotta like baby it. One of my buddies told me to not redline it and don't punch it under 3K, so just keep it above 3K and don't redline. But that being said, that changes up my whole... Give me a sec. Definitely gonna change up plans that I had going on for the car. So I was gonna start doing wheels and coilovers, but I'm just gonna finish up the performance, do a couple more mods that I want to do, and get it tuned before I can abuse this thing. So I'm gonna have to push back coilovers and wheels a little further down so I can take care of the mods first. So to talk about a little bit about yesterday, I wonder if I can rock this on my head and still get a good view. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about yesterday, since I didn't really get a chance to. About the canyon runs. First of all, it was super fun. Definitely a good experience and a good way to learn more about my car. I'm actually glad I did a canyon run on stock suspension so I can see it before and after the suspension gets done, because I definitely want to go back to the canyon. It was super fun. I want to go grippier tire. Definitely need some bucket seats and some harnesses, because I'm like literally rolling off these seats, and these seats are not all that great. And coilovers, because I got a lot of body roll. So yeah, like I said, it's definitely a good experience and a good way to see how the car does before I switch everything up. So once all that gets done, I'm definitely gonna go back to the canyons because it was super fun. It seemed like a lot of you guys enjoyed it as well. Plans for today, I gotta go weigh in. I told you guys about the competition that I wanted to join. Man, I ate like crap this weekend. I ate like crap this morning, and I gotta go eat one more time before I go weigh in. I'm trying to weigh in heavy, guys. I really want to win this. George is joining too. George has been eating really dirty as well. So I don't know, I'm looking forward to see what my progress looks like. And it's pretty cool. It's a local thing at a supplement shop. Yeah, it's free. You get $500 if you the one with the best progress, so it's pretty dope. So this year is going to be my first time there, so I want my car to look okay at least. So but anyways, I'm going to be stuck in traffic for a little over 30 minutes, so I do not want to bore you guys and talk to you guys the whole way through this traffic, so I'll definitely pick this up when I get home. 2 hours later. All right guys, let the car cool down for 2 hours, went upstairs to eat. So now let's jack up this car and get this freaking heat shield out the way so it won't hit the exhaust anymore. So I'm just gonna jack it up from one side and then I'll get up under there. So the day I was taking off my test pipe, I didn't really record much because I really just wanted to get it over with. So the O2 sensor on the OEM cat was on there really freaking tight. So we had to use an impact to pull it off. And when we did that, all the threads came off with it. So that O2 sensor was done and that OEM cat is fried as well. So what we had to do is get a screw and plug it up. So that's what was loose right now. If you can see, I can like turn it with my hand, and that's what was rattling the entire time. Cause see, and if I leave it loose, oh, it's not doing it now. But oh, one more thing, I do have R1 rotors coming in for this car, and when those come in, I'm gonna be painting these yellow. Guess who showed up?
Don't you worry, child. Because George has come to save the day.
Hi, George.
What's wrong?
I figured it out.
You broke it in it?
No. It was that stupid plug for the O2 sensor. Yeah, it was loose. That's what kept rattling. Alright. Let me try it out. Hopefully that fixed it.
It did fix it.
Stupid rattle.
I already know it did.
Carbon fiber. Yay! 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 How come mine doesn't two-step, George? Did it?
That was hot.
Here, I'm gonna try it again. Alright guys, we are on our way to get weighed in. No, on our way to weigh in, see our results. I think I'm gonna weigh like 233.
I will say 216.
216? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be like 233 with 23 or 24% body fat. I killed like a whole pizza.
I ate way too much today.
Yeah, I feel like shit, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't like it.
I overdid it. Freedom was too good.
I'm throwing up after this. Can't bring my mouth. Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Woo!
Rainbows and brownies.
See you. Alright guys, the results are in. That's yours, George. Get that shit out of the way.
Fine.
Weight 231.7. That was really close to 232. And then muscle mass is 103.4. That's cute. And my body fat is at 22.5. Diet officially starts now. So we are here at 70 Blurry. 7-Eleven. About to buy a gallon of water.
I need a toilet.
And you need a toilet? You gonna stick your finger down your throat? Oh man.
Why did I do this?
It's okay, George.
Why did I agree to this?
We're gonna do some hella cardio today.
I hate cardio.
I do too, but you learn to love it. Gonna go get a gallon of water, chug that mother down, take a fat burner pill, and time to start cutting this weight. I put on like I used to weigh 220. I put on 11, 12 pounds. Damn. Alright guys, stopped at O'Reilly's really quick. Gonna buy injector cleaner for the Z so I can dump it in there, and I'm gonna fill up the tank so I can clean out my injectors. That Z needs Jesus right now, so.
Something else.
Yes. I am going to go with this one. Gum Out all-in-one fuel system cleaner. Ethanol treatment improves fuel economy, fights rust and corrosion, reduces friction and wear, cleans the entire fuel system. This is the one, George.
How about this one? All season goose.
That was a good sesh. Did some 20-minute cardio. Feels good to be back. Right, George? George is dead. He don't want to talk.
My shoulders are on fire.
Going from OEM clutch to stage 3. Holy stiffness. Well, guys, I gotta go fill up the tank and then add this injector cleaner. I heard it's better to use this stuff on pump gas, so that's why I made that pump gas map. So I gotta go put that right now, so I'll pick this up on the road. Fail. Forgot to give you guys a cold start. Oh my god, I can stage 3 clutch. Whew. I forget how loud my Z is compared to the Evo. Well, gonna have to drive the Z for the rest of the week, so I can burn through this gas. That way I can pump E85 and get my map done. But I gotta get used to this stage 3 clutch. Holy crap, totally forgot how to use it. I get a lot of questions if stage 3 is really hard, or if I recommend a stage 3 over a stage 2. I personally think the stage 2 is pointless. At that point you might as well just get a stage 3 because they're almost similar. And stage 3 it's not that hard. You get used to it. The more you drive on it, the easier it gets. This truck's really trying to race me. They're all drunk as hell in there. That was fun. Got the adrenaline pumping right now. Oh my god, a cop. I am fucked. Oh my goodness. Please stay there. Oh, it's so scary now to drive the Z, honestly. It's way too hot here in the OC area. All those freaking takeovers, like the cops have been really hot. So like to drive my Z around, it's really sketchy, especially because if I get pulled over and they make me pop my hood, for sure getting state ref. My intakes are not carb legal. I got long tube headers. Forget it. So that's why I'm like really scared to drive this thing now. I just gotta be really careful. Oh, that looks so good. I love yellow calipers. That's why I'm gonna be doing the same to the Evo. All right, let's get this going. For George. Normally you're supposed to put this on an empty tank first and then you put the gas. That way it stirs up really well, but I'm like a little bit below half, so I think we'll be fine. Holy crap, what the hell is that? Alright, clean out my injectors, please. Damn, guys, I forgot my freaking wallet at home. I do not want to get pulled over right now. It would not be the business. Alright guys, well, I am gonna end the vlog here. This vlog was kind of random. All my plans that I had for today kind of got ruined since I couldn't abuse the Evo. I was supposed to race my friend's Audi and the Reese's. I'm sure you guys saw it in that other vlog when we had the photo shoot. I was supposed to run him, but since I found out I can't abuse the Evo, I kind of held back and that vlog was ruined. I am gonna have to race him though. I mean, I would race him in the Z, but he knows the Z will take him. But whatever's. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. So anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started.